In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar on Monday.com. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to click, you can add a calendar view to your board in just a few moments. A calendar view is especially useful when you want to see your tasks, deadlines, or project items laid out by date in a more visual way. It can help you plan ahead, spot scheduling gaps, and keep your workflow organized. To get started, open the board in Monday.com where you want to add the calendar. Make sure you're on the correct board before making any changes, since views are added directly to the board you're currently working in. Once you're inside the board, look for the plus icon. This is the Add View button, and it's the place you'll use whenever you want to create a new way of looking at your board data. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. If you're new to Monday.com, this area is helpful to remember because it gives you access to different view options depending on how you want to organize your information. After clicking the plus icon, a menu of available views will appear. From that list, click on Calendar. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a calendar-based view for the items on your board. As soon as you select Calendar, the system will add that view to your board. From there, you'll be able to start viewing your items in a calendar layout, which can make date-related work much easier to manage. If your board already includes date-based columns, the calendar view can help bring those deadlines and schedules into a format that's much easier to scan at a glance. One helpful tip is to make sure your board has the appropriate date information filled in, since the calendar view works best when items are connected to dates. If some items don't appear the way you expect, it may simply mean their date fields need to be completed or adjusted. And that's all it takes to add a calendar on Monday.com. Just click the plus icon to open the Add View options, then choose Calendar from the list. It's a fast way to turn your board into a more visual planning tool and make your schedule easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.